Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I'm going to give you a quick brief about my research progress since I have finished my 20-month review last week. My research title is Artificial Intelligence AI Application in Training and Development of MRO Personnel in Midstream Oil and Gas Industry. The background of the problem as shown. We don't want to waste time on it. The problem statement as shown. Oil and gas industry is divided into three sectors. Upstream, which is exploration and production, midstream, which is transportation and storage, and downstream, which is marketing and distribution. Research aim and objective. The aim of the study is to investigate how emerging AI affect maintenance, repair, and operations, MRO in oil and gas industry, midstream sector. The objectives are to examine the existing AI application in MRO services and in the storage and transportation of oil and gas, to examine the impact of AI on MRO Bahrain oil and gas transportation and storage, specifically with regard to personnel training and development, to determine the relation between adoption of AI and personnel training and development, to develop a conceptual framework, conceptual model that will describe effects of AI and personnel training and development on MRO Bahrain and oil and gas. Research questions. 1. What are the current AI applications on MRO services and storage and transportation of Bahrain oil and gas according to the respondent? 2. From the perspective of the respondent, in what way could adoption of emerging AI impact MRO personnel training and development of transportation and storage of Bahrain oil and gas in terms of enhanced decision-making and safety, efficient skill and development, data interpretation skill, cost and time efficiency, strategic workforce planning? 3. Is there a strategic correlation, significant correlation between the above-mentioned variables and the adoption of emerging AI? 4. What conceptual model may be developed which explain the effect of emerging technology AI and personnel training and development on MRO Bahrain, oil and gas, transportation and storage? Significance of the research. Besides contribution to the existing body of knowledge, the research will help oil and gas companies to maximize resource utilization, minimize disruption, and enhance operational effectiveness. It will also bridge the skill gaps through improved training, leading to a better safety, regulatory compliance, lower cost, and higher output. It also will help HR department to customize training programs, predict future skill gaps, and ensure seamless Industry 4.0 transition, and will help future researchers to serve as a foundation of analysis worker capacity and develop targeted development projects in AI applications. The graphs show us how AI can be utilized in MRO midstream of oil and gas. Bahrain oil and gas landscape, 124.6 million barrel of approved reserve, 7 billion was invested in modernization of Babco refinery, and more than 80 billion of tight oil discovered offshore. Literature review. These are some of the paper related to the research, as it's shown. Research gaps in literature. After reviewing the literature for almost 2 years, I have identified the following gaps. No research has produced a strategy framework for using AI as a tool for MRO staff training. 2. There are challenges along the way to integrate AI, the so-called technical complexity, legal framework, and cybersecurity concerns, both significant challenges that need to be carefully handled. 3. Oil and gas business are not well known for their collaborative industry project, particularly when it comes to rival companies and significant industries like artificial intelligence. 4. There are still disagreement over the legal ramification of AI console for individual. And 5. As industry continues to embrace AI future research and practical implementation of projects should focus on deeper exploration of machine learning algorithm, predictive modeling, and advanced analytic techniques. Based on the literature and the interviews, I have constructed 5 hypotheses. The first one, the integration of AI-assisted training and development programs significantly improve decision-making capabilities and safety awareness among oil and gas employees. 2, the integration of AI-assisted training and development led to statistically significant improvement in employee skill acquisition. 3, the integration of AI-assisted training and development program significantly enhanced employee data interpretation and analytic skills. 4, the integration of AI-assisted training and development program significantly reduced training cost/time and improve operational efficiency. 5, the integration of AI-assisted training and development program contributes significantly to strategic work planning. Research methodology. The onion diagram shows the research methodology starting from the philosophical approach, which is pragmatism, moving philosophical foundation, which is pragmatism, then moving to the research approach, which is the abductive, then this research strategy, which is exploratory and descriptive, and finally the research design, which is mixed method, quantitative and qualitative. The research design process as shown. The proposed SEM hypothesized model, we have on the left-hand side the independent variable, and on the right-hand side the dependent variable. The main sample study profile for the questionnaires. The main sample study profile for the interviews. The research progress chart. Thank you.